guys, we just got in a car crash. Yeah, that was terrifying. Never again, bro. Never again am I driving. Bro. Who put the... Alright, guys. Well, basically like a month ago, I got into a car crash. Like, right now, like... So yeah, like a month ago, I got into a car crash. It's crazy. And yeah, it scared me. And like, I'll just show the pictures. So yeah, like pretty much I got into a car crash. It was crazy, man. Yeah, I was driving the car. It was crazy. So here's a picture of me. It was fire. That picture's fire. I love it. And I'm gonna have to blur that out. And so yeah, I didn't post this for like a month because I was bored. But yeah, like it's crazy, man. Yeah. Oh dang, I need my hat. There you go. Now I got the hat. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. I didn't post for a while because like I'm too lazy. Yeah. But pretty much I got into a car crash. It was crazy. And I had to blur out those license plate because you goofies are probably going to start stealing it and just be like, but yeah, you guys will probably steal their license plate, then get all the... Never mind. Just like mailing, I'm not showing it because you goofies will steal it. So yeah, fire is pretty crazy. I will probably post soon, maybe. I don't know. It's crazy. Alright, do the outro. Can I get a kiss? Can I make it last forever? But I gotta watch and I might never see you again. Can I get a kiss? Can I make it last forever? But I gotta watch and I might never see you.